Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 19th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Capricorn, this is your channel song.
I shouldn't say
So unique.
I shouldn't say
Hey.
I'm in a skirt, pussy fat up in a short shorts. Head raised when me walk past. Me feel the eyes, believe me eyes. Me love the light, me do it for spite. Me just a throw a double six like Lodi. That is what I'm doing with my body. And then me wine pretty boy, it groove me. Boy, I wanna take you to a movie. Me just a throw a double six like Lodi. That is what I'm doing with my booty. And then me wine pretty boy, it groove me. Girl, I wanna take it to a bones and a bone check. With the verb, with the noun, with the subject. Anything you want me, I can not come get up. Fall in love, all like something. My pussy tight, see a little browning. And a straight oxtail with no little broadie. We a small thing, and then a tin of sardine. Make man nigga attentive when them walking. You're just a show double six like Rudy. That is what you're doing with your booty. And then you wine pretty girl, it groove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. I'll you through a double six like Lodi. That is what I'm doing with my booty. And then the wine pretty girl, it groove me. Boy, I wanna take you to Shang Assemble. Okay, believe me, eyes, me do it for spite. Capricorn, you're just a show double six like Lodi. That is what I'm doing with my booty. And then me wine pretty girl, it groove me. Why can you take me to a movie? But just a show double six. Like, I'm getting all you're seeing, Capricorn, is 666. So I'm getting the sacrifice, Capricorn. Or I'm getting, Capricorn, something about a destiny swap. I'm getting you were supposed to be put on. For some reason, your destiny was swapped with somebody else's own. For why, we don't know. It could have been because of 3 packs of sugar instead of 2. Regardless or not, I'm getting, now we actual 6. I'm getting 6s all the way. I'm getting somebody going to get pregnant soon. So don't worry. Somebody will fight you out. Them know why you're apart or nothing. Them know why you make it up in a life. Okay, no problem. Them soon going to fall in love with an idiot man who going to convince them that them love them and will get pregnant. And then you can continue to live your life because this won't be on your name anymore, okay? I'm getting you a show double six like Lodi. That is what you're doing with your body. I'm your wine pretty girl, it groove me. Girl, I wanna take him to a movie. Let's go. Let us go. We have the moon card coming out first. You're dealing with a Pisces. Capricorn. Somebody, you and a Pisces are the deal where you make. You're getting you make a deal with the devil and you tell the Capricorn that you want it to be what the Pisces was going to be. The wish was granted. But I'm getting now somebody a throw double six like Lodi. I'm getting now somebody a pull the 666 card. And if you know what I mean. Okay, let's go. We got the 6 of swords. So I'm getting you're leaving, or I'm getting your introduction into the industry going to be somebody else's exit. The 6. You're just a show double six like Lodi. Me getting you're going. You might be going to another country. Me getting you're going because somebody needs to sign you. Me getting nobody don't want you to talk about who you're going to get signed to or who you work with. People supposed to know that you're working with this person when the project drop. Otherwise, them don't want you to leak, not tell, not give no hint, alright? But again, the 6. Me getting somebody that come back for them throne. So if you had a destiny swap, you swap destiny with somebody, that is great. You lived your life. Me getting the person who you swap destiny with, them will come back. The moon card. Yeah, the Hierophant. You swap destiny with a Taurus, them will come back for them throne. That you trick them out of, or me don't know who tricked them out of it. Me getting you were supposed to be put on them teeth, not destiny. Me getting them, I'm getting you coming back. Maybe you were supposed to be doing, them was supposed to distract you with marriage. You were supposed to be getting married and go off and have baby and get married, and this other celebrity artist take your space. Me getting, you might have gotten married, we will see if we see a baby, but me also getting is a Taurus. Me getting something about a Taurus and a Capricorn, our industry. Me getting what may have saved you, a significant placement is in your 10th house. That's what saved you. Because somebody tried to distract you off your path. Me getting you went right back, or me getting you coming back for your throne where you rightfully belong. So me getting something about you and a Taurus Capricorn. Alright, you and a Taurus was supposed to do this song. Don't ask me, I'm reading the cards. Me getting you and the Taurus was supposed to do this song, but the Taurus left. Taurus wasn't there apparently. Whatever this means. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles, maybe the Taurus was going to school. Or me getting at the time you wanted this Taurus to do a song with you, the management or people around you said, no, she's too young. Me getting she wasn't young, she just started. She wasn't underage, she just started. She was a novice. Yeah, the Fool card, somebody wasn't underage. Me getting somebody just started. Someone isn't inexperienced. It means them never working at this building before. Because I'm getting something you were being trained for this. And when the time come, you left. And it was said that, oh, she never wanted to do this. She wanted to pursue something different. She wanted something different. I'm getting a lie. Somebody had to distract you with something and make you go missing in order for them to, I guess, take whatever this was from you. Take the throne from you. That's what I want to say, the throne. The Judgment card is coming. All right, right. Because everything is going to be erased from the dead. Me getting somebody to come back for them throne. Or delaying someone's career only made them even more prepared for it. Them not have to deal with half of the backlash they would have faced had they started when they were that young. You have the Ace of Pentacles, yeah. I'm getting here's a contract, y'all get signed. Capricorn, or y'all sign this artist. Two of Swords. One more. 22. Two of Swords, Two of Pentacles, 22. So I'm getting both of y'all is going to be me getting the same girl Destiny where you try for thief and you end up did make it. She'll get signed by the same record label. So the same girl you watch every fucking day for thief or style for be an artist, she going to get signed to the same record label. So now they either gonna say you a thief from she a thief from you, or they're gonna say, oh, she the original and you the photocopy. Cause I'm getting somebody ready for you to come back. The only problem is there might be two different women who are signed to this record label. That can be very competitive, but I don't feel like when we're going to be doing songs together, we're not going to be recording in the same booth at the same time. We won't even see each other. We just know we're affiliated when you got events, private events, the devil card, exactly. We're getting industry, music. Or getting your comeback for your fucking throne. You might have Capricorn in the Sun in the 10th house. Me getting a that savior. So if somebody tries to sacrifice it to Satan for feed them career, surprise motherfucker, you are Satan. You're coming right back for them career. You just need to know whether you want to tear them career down before you start yours, since them sacrifice you for this. Yeah, me getting are you the beast, are you the mastermind, are you the industry, but somebody else to take it from you. I guess you have Rashid to thank for that. I hope you're happy with your decisions, Rashid. I hope you're happy with him. It's over. Because somebody come back for them blood clot throne. Cleanse your space. Death. Pisces, right? I'm getting something about a Pisces. Or the Pisces own the record label. I don't know what kind of music, and Kundalini. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.